Hi Islam. Today I read the story Nature Stinks. Stinky nature. If you ever smell a stunk, you know it is not a nice odor. In fact, it's terrible. Did you know that both plants and animals can smell bad? Stinky plants smell bad to get helpful insects to come near. Stinky animals often smell bad to keep enemies away. Smelling bad helps both plants and animals stay alive. Lizards attentive are at least 4 times as stinky as a skunk. They shoot a smelly liquid at their enemies. Opossums pretend to be dead if an enemy is near. They stay still and let out stinky green slime. Wolverines make a smelly liquid to keep other animals away from their house. They also pee on food they don't eat right away. This smell may help them fight the food later. It may also keep other animals from eating it. Male moths often fight each other for females. Males use their stinky pee to tell other males to keep away. The bees stick through their long belly hair and make them smell terrible. Stinky bird. The stinky bird mainly eats leaves. Food goes to its crop, the area under its throat, before the stomach. Teeny living things they break down the leaves. This way of eating makes the stinky bird smell terrible. Vultures eat animals that are dead and often rotten. When vultures are in danger, they throw up. The soup they grow up is very smelly. Goodbye.